Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks before I make any customizations and any changes to the wig to my liking. As you can see, the wig is straight. Obviously it's not super straight because I haven't flat ironed it yet, but the wig has not been touched. More so here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like before I do anything to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and put this on my little ghetto wig stand. Really what it is, it's not even a wig stand, it's like a tripod thing for like one of my backdrops. So I'm trying to use this as a wig stand, but it's gonna fail me in a minute. Here you see me just kind of plucking the part a bit, trying to get it opened up a little bit wider, that way that it looks a little bit more realistic and more to my liking. I hate when wigs do not have the daggone thing parted, so, or I'm sorry, the daggone thing plucked. So what I'm doing here is just trying to pick up some of the hairs with my tweezers. Here is a much better angle, and it kind of shows you that already you can see a much better difference so far. So I'm just literally pulling it up using tweezers the same way that you would kind of pluck your eyebrows, even though I don't do that. You just want to try and get all of the hair out of the middle. Oh, look at this ghetto. All right, y'all, we got improvise. This daggone fake wig stand I got is not working. Yeah, y'all, so trying to record this was a task too, but you guys will see me just continue to pluck the middle of the part. So what I'm just doing is I'm just trying to grip them up firmly, but not obviously pulling the hair out. You just want to take some of the strands out as you go. So I do this pretty slow, but I did speed it up for the sake of this video. But just take your time and just, you know, pluck the hairs out as you want, just so that you can get that part open up a little bit more as if it would be your real natural hair. So even though it looks like I'm like being rough, I'm really not. So this is what you would have on your tweezers once it's plucked. Essentially, you just want a lot of those strands. So here I'm showing you what the part looks like after I plucked it. It's still not too cute, but I still have to like flat iron the hair. So I'm going to do that piece by piece and show you guys how I do that. I'm just using one of the, I don't know what kind of flat iron this is, honestly. It's Tristan's actually. So I'm just going to flat iron each piece of the hair. That way that everything looks straight and more sleek. So yeah, just keep watching it while I do this, and then I'll show you guys what I'll do additionally. So at this point is when I knew I need some sort of hot comb, some sort of wand curler to flatten out my closure area. I tried to flatten it out with a flat iron, and I was doing a chase method, but I was doing it backwards for a part of this video. But I was really just trying to get it as flat as possible, but it wasn't working. But you know, I kind of actually make it work for this video, but I actually ended up purchasing a wand curler after. Here you guys will see how sleek it looks even without the closure part being as flat as it could be. Now that my hair is straight and it looks much better, we can move forward with trying to make the part even a little better than what it already had. I really don't know if I want to do baby hairs, but I think I'm gonna try it because I'm a baby and why not, right? So I decided to not do a talk through for this part, so hope it's not too drawn out for y'all. All right, so I'm just going to pull this part out a little because this closure has little baby hairs in the front, but I want to make them shorter. So I'm just going to clip them to the side, and then I'm going to use like the little dollar thing that you get from the hair store. There we go. All right, so now that part is out. So now we have a little shorter thing to work with. Right, and then now I'm going to do this side. That's done. So now I'm going to attempt to lay these. I don't know if it's gonna be cute, but we'll see. So I'm gonna use some Gossipy glue. Place it on the baby hair. I probably should have made them a little shorter, but I figured I wanted to start with this first, and then if it's too long, I can always cut it instead of, you know, the opposite. I just made like a little swoop on that. Well, this is what we're looking like right now. Completely forgot to even touch. Okay, so this sucks. I just jacked it up. So I have to flip this over and put some, oh God, this sucks. Before that step, y'all, let's put some powder in the closure real quick. No more product, just gotta relay that down. Okay. So I think it looks really good how it is, but I want to have it look even better. So I'm gonna put a tiny drop of concealer in my part. I'm gonna use a color that I use under my eye anyway. And honestly, I already have some on this brush because I need to clean my brushes. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. And honestly, I'm afraid because I've had a wig before where I put too much. So I'm just going to, even that little droplet, I'm just gonna wipe it off on my hand to make sure that it's not too much. So then I'm just gonna run it down the middle. But it's what we looking like, y'all. So this was the before and this is the now. I just slayed this wig. Period. So I do have some flyways, so I'm gonna spray some of this just a little bit on the top and just try to lay it down. And that's the Gossipy glue. And if I want to have my baby hair even more secure than that, then I can put some right here, but I don't need any of that. So how we looking, girls? I think we look cute. What you think? Y'all, I think I just murdered this baby. All right, I'm chilling. But thanks so much, Devaney, because she is the wig slayer, and none of this would be possible without old Devaney. So shout out to my sis for always coming through. And yeah, y'all, so that is the complete look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if I can do this, you can do this. I don't know what I'm doing. I just be seeing stuff and retaining it in my library of a brain and just applying it as needed. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I think it looks super cute. I think I'm a bad little thing, and I am set for a couple of weeks, girl. And I'll just do this. I'll probably flat iron it maybe once a week, depending on how it looks. If I even need to do that, I don't even think so. But yeah, so I'll probably lay this, I don't know, every day, depending on how I'm feeling with the baby hair. And obviously you guys saw how I did it without the baby hair. So if you're not feeling it, if you're someone like Tristan who don't want to do all that, then just keep it how it is. But yeah, so that is it. That is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video.